Hey you guys, it's your girl Kayla B. You knew me and I'm coming at you with another video. Yes, another video. Yes, you have to put the bun in here because the bun is popping. Okay. Anyways, as you can tell by the title and me holding this up, this is a Boxycharm base boss unboxing. Boxycharm is $25 a month and you get 5 full-size items. I already know what's in here because it's an unboxing and try on, and I'm not really that excited about what's in the box. I'm excited about the stuff that I chose, but besides that, let's just get into the video, huh? So first you can see I have no card and also no phone, so yeah. Anyways, I wrote the stuff on the edges, the prices and stuff, so I'm just going to be telling you that while trying on the products. I mean, first, Boxycharm, you know, gives out a spoiler of palettes, and then they don't let us choose which one that we want, and then the choices is usually around like 10 or 11 p.m., 11 a.m., and I was on the site at that time, and it was still choices for the base box, not the premium, and I mean, I got what I wanted. I got the blush, but still, like, if the blush wasn't available, I wouldn't want any other thing, and I would let them choose my product, which probably wouldn't be a blush. Okay, let's get this out the way. This is the Becca lip liner in the shade Fearless. I'm not gonna be using this today. Obviously, I have stuffing on my lips. I have Delicious from Jeffree Star on my lips. This is also $22, the Becca lip liner. Here it looks like it comes with something to blend it out. Also, it comes with a sharpener, and it's a brown lip liner. Yes, but a light brown lip liner. I am dark complexion. This will not go with me. I just like dark brown liners, and if this is not a dark brown or a plummy vampy color, I'm not gonna use it. So this is what it looks like, and it will be sold on my Mercari, which is linked down below. Obviously, this is a bonus video, but this is a bonus video. If you didn't know, I have another video that I will link at the end of the video or in the cards. Yeah, that video, when it's up before this video, that's actually my Boxy pop-up. Just got that like a couple days ago. This is the Chella tweezers. This retails for 20 bucks. Got a nice holding grip. Don't really use tweezers that much. I mean, could use a little tweezing now, but besides that, don't really use it. Am I gonna use it today? No, because I have my foundation on. I like to do tweezing before foundation. So yeah. Now on to my eyebrows product, which just retails for $21. Actually, it retails for $22 on Sephora's site, but on Boxycharm site it's $21, so I'm putting that in my total as 21, because if they would have gave me the card, it would have said 21. Again, they didn't give me a card. I got it in the shade Graphite. I am in the shade Walnut. It's for black brown hair. This is straight black. This is what the packaging looks like. I'm just gonna brush my hairs before I start doing my brows. And I'm brushing it upwards and I'm trying to create that shape. Yeah, I could definitely use a little tweezing right there, but that's it. Like, yeah. Don't really have that much brows in the first place. Like, I wish I had like big bushy brows, you know? Now this is what it looks like. It's just straight black, and it's very stiff and hard, and it's also on a slanted angle. Not trying to go too hard with this product because it is black. Okay, you could see a difference already. Okay, now my brows look intense, but it was gonna look intense anyways with that brow product. By the way, if my face looks orange, it's because I have yellow lights in this bathroom, and also because the concealer that I'm testing out is orange. It's all over my face. So yeah, anyways. This is the Murad Hydro Dynamic Ultra Moisturizing Eye Cream. I'm not going to open this up. I am going to show you the jar though. I'm not going to open it up because I am currently You know, I'm going to test this against my Kiehl's one because it's both moisturizing. One's supposed to be thicker, one is supposed to be light and airy. This retails for 70 bucks. And this is what the chart looks like. Yes, and it has how many ounces? Does it say, it says 6 months like any other eye cream, and it's 4.5 ounces like any eye cream. The next thing that I got is Living in Color by Hank and Henry. This retails for 27 bucks. Okay, I mean, to me it would be like 25, but you know, I can't complain. It's just a couple dollars more. That's kind of like a Huda Beauty palette. Here's the palette. It comes with a nice size and mirror. Here are the shades. Here are the shades. Sultry Sun, Fuchsia Petticock, and then the mattes, which are Dragon Blood, Rosalinda, Boys and Toys. Don't know. That's the blue one, Boys and Toys. And then here are the last 3 shades, which is Rescue, Look, Honda, whatever. I'm not even going to do that. And Marina French is the last one. Here are the colors in the back. You could screenshot it or something. I don't know about those shimmers. They kind of look a little glittery, not like it has base to it. But I'm going to go with Risque. That's that orangey shade into the crease and up to the brow bone. Taking it on a Morphe brush. I don't know what Morphe brush this is. Morphe M453 brush. It's like a fluffy brush, but also densely packed, so it, you know, holds the color. Taking it onto the brow bone. Yes. Just blending away. Blending away. Ooh, that shade blended perfectly and it's pigmented. But it was a lot of kick up in the pan. I'm gonna show you the pan. That is what the pan looks like with one dip. Now I'm taking Rosalinda on this Luxie brush. That shade didn't have that much kick up like the other one, but it's kind of like less pigmented, but it is a darker brown. I don't know, I'm making excuses, but it's okay. Like, they work well together. I mean, they're supposed to. They're in the same palette, but you know, some palettes don't do that. And I never tried Hank and Henry's formula, so it's okay. It's okay. But that orange shade, ah! Now I'm going to take Faux Show on this brush and just put it on the lid. What is that? Oh my gosh, I got a pimple on my nose. Didn't even know I had a pimple on my nose. That's how you know you're like really up and close and personal. Wow, I like this. I'm not even gonna lie, I like this. Wow. Okay, all I did was put Risque on the bottom lashes, also put some liner on and some mascara. Now I'm going in with La Calanella and just putting it as my highlight for the day. And wow. Ooh, that's like subtle but goes with my skin tone. I like it. Okay, this is my full face using majority of what was in my Boxycharm box. Basically, there's the eyeshadow palette and the eyebrow pencil. Wow. Couldn't use the eyeliner, but yeah. This is how my face looks like in regular lighting. Look at that eyeshadow as a highlight. Yes. Have a great day, have a great night whenever you're watching this. I hope you guys enjoyed this video. I haven't done an unboxing and try on in a minute, but I really want to test out this palette and I kind of like it. I was a little hesitant, but kind of like it. Anyways, have a great day, have a great night whenever you're watching this, and remember to stay positive. And I still got some remainder of the swatches. Bye, you guys. I still look horrible.